In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to replace your email using Asana in just 5 minutes. This is a straightforward process that can help streamline your workflow and keep your projects neatly organized. To kick things off, you'll need to visit the Asana website. Once there, take a look at the top right corner where you'll see the Login button. Click on that to get started. Now, as you move on to the Login page, you'll notice the option to Continue with Google. Select this option if you'd like to sign in seamlessly using your Google account. Once you've clicked, choose the Google account you wish to associate with Asana. Doing this not only saves time but also helps in keeping things secure and efficient with a single sign-on approach. Upon successful login, you'll see your profile icon located at the bottom left corner of the screen. Go ahead and click on it. This will give you access to the settings you need to update your email information. Next, look for the Settings option and select it. Here's where you can customize and manage your account details to fit your preferences. Navigating to the settings is essential as it houses all your personal and account configurations. Once in the settings, direct your attention to the Account tab. Clicking on this tab allows you access to various account-specific settings, including the capability to add or change your email address, which is our primary focus here. Now that you're in the Account section, find the Add New Email button. By clicking on this, you can type in your new email address. It is quite important to ensure that the email address you enter is valid and one that you readily have access to. A confirmation email will be sent to this new address to verify its authenticity. Finally, it's crucial to manage your emails correctly. Within this section, you'll also find the option to re-authenticate your email or remove your existing old email. This step is vital as it helps in keeping your account secure and up to date. And there you have it. You've just learned how to efficiently replace your email with Asana in a few simple steps. By doing so, you ensure that you're receiving all the important notifications and updates without missing a beat. If you found this tutorial helpful or if you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment or visit our help section for more detailed guidance. Thank you for watching and happy organizing with Asana.